Alright, so the ingredients that you'll need is an onion. So I've used about 1.5 onions. You'll need some curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, and cilantro. And for the masalas, we got some crushed chili flakes, some red chili powder, some pepper powder, and some garam masala. Alright, so to make this mussels fry, I have pre-marinated the mussels in chili powder and turmeric powder, and I'm not gonna boil them in some water so that it'll get nice and cooked and ready when we start to prepare it. Alright, so now the mustards have started to splutter. I'm going to add a very little bit of cumin, so about that much of cumin. So the mustards and the cumin are now cooked, and I've also added in the crushed red chili flakes. And at this time, I'm gonna add in the sliced onions. I mix it well, and wait for the onions to turn slightly golden brown. At this point, I'm going to add in this much of salt, for about like quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix it up. So salt helps to caramelize the onions, and it will help change the color much better. Alright, so at this moment the onions are now like slightly golden brown, as you guys can see. I'm gonna add in the ginger garlic paste right now, and mix it up. Alright, so now the ginger garlic paste and the onions have now mixed well real good, and at this moment I'm gonna add in the red chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder to give the color. I'm adding the black pepper powder. I've used about 2-3 teaspoons right here. Mix it well so that the onion and ginger garlic paste will get the flavors mixed well. Alright, so at this moment I'm going to add in the cooked mussels. I'm going to mix it up good. Mix it in so that all the masalas and aromas get in. So it has been about 30 seconds, and now I'm going to add in the garam masala powder. And I've also added in a little bit of water, like maybe like 1 spoon of water, just to get it all moist. And mix it in. And now I'm going to add in the curry leaves. Sprinkle it everywhere. Mix it up. So right now I have turned the heat to medium, and I'm going to add a little bit of chopped cilantro. So just use a little bit right now, so that at the end you'll have some to garnish with as well. So there it goes in, and give it a good mix. This will give the pepper roast a really good flavor. So the mussels fry is done. I have transferred it to a plate. Please support this channel by liking and subscribing. If you like this and try it, let me know how it goes down in the comments. And I hope you have a nice day, and thank you for watching.